To fix a shaking washing machine, pause the spin cycle and redistribute the clothes so they're more balanced. Washing smaller loads can also help prevent imbalances. When the machine isn't running, try rocking it to see if it's unstable. You might need to move it to a more level area. If that doesn't work, check the back of the washer to make sure the shipping bolts were removed when your washer was installed, since they can prevent the basin from spinning properly. If the shipping bolts are still in place, remove them by hand or using a wrench.